What is the difference between a geometry theorem and a postulate? Have you ever wondered how mathematicians build their ideas in geometry? Today, we will clarify the difference between a geometry theorem and a postulate. This distinction is essential for anyone diving into the world of shapes, angles, and figures. In geometry, a postulate is a basic statement that is accepted as true without needing proof. Think of postulates as the building blocks of geometry. They are self-evident truths that help define the basic properties of geometric concepts. For example, consider the statement, "Two parallel lines never meet." This is a postulate because it is assumed to be true by definition and does not requiring any proof. Postulates serve as the foundation for geometric reasoning. They allow us to create a framework from which we can develop further ideas. Without postulates, we would lack the starting points necessary for logical reasoning in geometry. On the other hand, a theorem is a statement that must be proven true. Theorems relying on logical reasoning based on postulates, definitions, and previously proven theorems. This means that to establish a theorem, one must provide a step-by-step logical argument showing why the statement is true. A well-known example of a theorem is the Pythagorean Theorem. This theorem relates the lengths of the sides in a right triangle. To prove it, one must use postulates and other established facts. Theorems requiring proof, while postulates do not. To summarize, postulates are accepted as true without proof and act as the foundation of geometry. Theorems, however, are statements that requiring proof based on postulates and other theorems. Understanding this distinction is helpful when studying various geometric concepts, including shapes, angles, triangles, circles, and polygons. For instance, using the postulate that, through any two points, there is exactly one line, you can prove theorems about triangles or polygons. One such theorem is that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. This theorem depends on postulates for its proof. In geometry, postulates allow you to build the framework, while theorems help you explore and prove properties within that framework. This logical structure makes geometry systematic and easier to understand. So, the next time you encounter a geometry problem, remember the roles of postulates and theorems in your reasoning process.